Dispute Beast is an AI-powered DIY credit repair platform that helps users generate dispute letters, track credit reports, and monitor scores. It markets itself as a cheaper alternative to traditional credit repair services. A user of Dispute Beast honest reviews. Dispute Beast did get rid of a bankruptcy on Equifax one needed to remove yet, working on TransUnion BK. Based on reviews and information from early 2026, Dispute Beast is a service designed to help users challenge negative items on their credit reports. Credit Saint is one of the most well-known US credit repair companies offering dispute services, credit monitoring, and personalized credit improvement plans. A user of Credit Saint honest reviews. It is a very big help to straighten out your credit history. Very helpful people to guide through the process. As of May 2026, Credit Saint offers 3 main monthly packages ranging from roughly $80 to $140, plus a one-time first work fee of $9,995. Packages are tailored by intensity, with options including credit monitoring and challenging 5 to 10 plus inaccurate items per cycle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.